Welcome to Car Chronicles. The upcoming new Mercedes Maybach SL is set to redefine luxury and performance, blending the elegance of Maybach with the dynamic capabilities of the SL Roadster. This high-end convertible promises an unparalleled driving experience, combining opulent comfort with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, the new SL is expected to feature a powerful V8 engine with electrification, delivering impressive performance while maintaining efficiency. The exterior design is a perfect fusion of sportiness and sophistication, with signature Maybach elements such as an imposing grille, chrome accents, and an extended wheelbase for added presence on the road. Inside the cabin, luxury reaches new heights with the finest materials, handcrafted details, and state-of-the-art technology. Plush leather seats with intricate stitching, a premium Burmester sound system, and an advanced MBUX infotainment system create an atmosphere of pure indulgence. Rear passengers will also enjoy generous legroom, thanks to the extended design, making long journeys as comfortable as they are stylish. In terms of technology, the Maybach SL will include the latest driver assistance systems, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities and a host of safety features to ensure a smooth and secure ride. The car's adaptive suspension system and all-wheel drive setup provide exceptional handling and stability, whether cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Expect the new Mercedes Maybach SL to command a premium price, reflecting its status as a true symbol of luxury and exclusivity. With its blend of performance, refinement, and prestige, this model is set to become a coveted addition to the elite automotive world, appealing to those who demand nothing but the best.